Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.64 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. Among the following pairs of orbitals, which orbital will experience the larger effective nuclear charge? So friends, they gave a three sets and we need to tell among that which will experience a larger effective nuclear charge. So in the previous question also we discussed about the nuclear charge. Nuclear charge is the charge which is experienced by the electron when the nucleus is pulling the electrons towards itself. So suppose we have a nucleus here, and these are the shells in which electrons are roaming. So depending on the distance, the nuclear charge, we have a relation between the nuclear charge and the distance. So it is effective nuclear charge is inversely proportional to the distance from the nucleus. So according to this equation, or we can say this rule, the farther the electron from the nucleus, the lesser the effective nuclear charge. It means the closer the electron with the nucleus, it will feel larger amount of effective nuclear charge. So here start with the first set. It is 2s and 3s. Now we can see 2 is the principal quantum number, it means the shell number, and 3 is also the shell number, s is the orbital number. Now so second orbital or second shell will be nearer to the nucleus as compared to the third shell. So here in this case 2s will feel the larger effective nuclear charge. 2s experience larger effective nuclear charge. Come up to the second part. Again we have a set of 4d orbital and 4f orbital. Now in this case the principal quantum number, it means n is same, 4 and 4, it means both are on the same shell, but here the orbitals are different. One is d orbital, one is f orbital. So we already studied that. We studied that s orbital having the feeling the largest amount of nuclear charge. Then it comes to the p orbital, then it comes to the d orbital, and then the least effective nuclear charge will be given to f. So this is the decreasing order of nuclear charge. We can write like this because there is no space. So in this way we can see that both are in same shell but orbitals are different. So d orbital, according to this series, d orbital will experience the more nuclear charge. So we can say 4d or 4f, 4d will experience the larger amount of nuclear charge. Come up to the third set. It is given 3d and 3p. Again the concept is same. The principal quantum number is same, 3 and 3. So we will go to the azimuthal quantum number, that is the orbital d and p. So according to the decreasing order of the effective nuclear charge on sp-df orbital, p orbital will feel more effective nuclear charge in comparison to d. So here 3p will be our answer. So friends, these are our answers. Concept is easy and clear. If you have doubts, I am telling again, please come up to me, write your questions in comment section. I will surely try to solve that problem. Till then, thank you.